everybody, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today, the B58 definitely does reign supreme. We're here in a 2016 F30 340i. It's got a free flow downpipe, a dine-in free flow midsection, and the best valve rear section on the market, the Valvetronic F Chassis Axleback. So we're going to give you guys some clips today, show you guys inside the car, outside, GoPro in the bumper, flybys, any scenario you can imagine with this exhaust setup. We're going to show you guys what it sounds like. Even inside here, we've got the sunroof popped, windows closed. Definitely very enjoyable inside the car. Some pops and cracks. The crack. We have the BimmerLink app connected to the car, so this is how we're controlling the exhaust valves for the Valvetronic system. You can hear with the valves closed, it gets super docile in here. There's no drone. Very, very relaxed setup. The setup is even more dynamic than the factory exhaust system because this muffler casing is packed, whereas the factory one is not. So having this setup on the car rather than, let's say, an M Performance exhaust or any other competitor's exhaust, you're getting way more flexibility, more enjoyable high-end open exhaust valve tones, and then it's a lot quieter with the valves closed. So it really does give the best of both experiences. But we want to keep the valves open for now, because why wouldn't you? So if you guys decide that you don't want to use the BimmerLink app, if you have it closed and it's not plugged into the car at all, you can use the factory Sport and Sport Plus buttons to control the car. So with the car in its comfort mode, you'll be able to close the exhaust valves and everything will operate as factory. The car just chooses when the exhaust valves are indeed open or closed. You're welcome to use the BimmerLink app, or you can use the car's functionality. It's up to you with whatever you decide. The reason why a lot of people decide to use the BimmerLink app is because the way the Sport and Sport Plus and the comfort modes in this car behave with the exhaust is sometimes very strange. In comfort mode, you may find the exhaust is open at random times, and then in Sport Plus, it might close at certain times. So we recommend, if you want that ultimate experience, to be able to control the valve 100%, to get the BimmerLink app in order to do so.